Up first this evening, a medical facility operating in a residential community. It's the source of an investigation by the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation and the Ministry of Health. Shamela Pullen has the details.
Some residents of Hibiscus Drive in upscale neighborhood Barbican are upset with what they say is a medical facility being operated from the home of a prominent doctor. They are concerned that patients, including those with COVID-19, are being treated at the home of Dr. Roger Hunter. TVJ News has obtained correspondence residents of the community sent to the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation seeking the municipality's intervention. So we contacted Dr. Hunter to discuss the issue. So we're in receipt of documents suggesting that you're treating COVID patients at your home, and the Ministry of Health has been asked to investigate. Your reactions?
I have no comments on that matter at all. Have a good day. Thank you.
No comment from him, but documents indicate that a letter of warning was sent to Dr. Hunter by the KCMC. The corporation has also written to Chief Medical Officer in the Ministry of Health, a copy of which was obtained by our news center. In it, the KCMC notes the alleged operations are in contravention of the Town and Country Planning Act 1957, amended 1999. We contacted the CEO, Robert Hill, who was only prepared to say that the planning department has conducted its investigations into the complaints and has since referred the findings to the relevant agency for further action. But he was not prepared to reveal the details of the findings. We contacted Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, who would only say this.
It was mentioned to me, but it clearly appears to be a situation of a business operating within a residential neighborhood, which, as you know, there are rules governing residences as opposed to commercial activity. But the Ministry of Health doesn't govern granting permits. I will check to find out if there is any requirement otherwise, but that is my knowledge of it up to this point. I'd have to find out otherwise.
Dr. Hunter is a prominent neurosurgeon who has been emphasizing home-based care for COVID-19 patients. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.